Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Roblox. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in roblox.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Roblox website where if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your credentials to log into your account. Once you have been logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to delete your account, click on the gear icon at the top right corner and then click on Help and Safety. This will now take you into the Help and Safety option, from which you can click on Help Center and then click on Roblox Account. From this page, scroll down and you will see How do I delete my account option. Click on this and now you can access the support form by clicking on the support form link. Now within this page, just include your username followed by your first name, which is optional. Then enter your email address associated with your account and type it in once again for confirmation. Now within the issue details section, choose the device within which you use your Roblox account the most, and then within the help category option, click on the drop down menu and then choose delete my account. Once you click on this, you will see another drop down menu from which you will once again need to click on delete my account. Within the description of issue, simply type in that you do not wish to use Roblox anymore and that you want your account to be deleted, and click on the continue button. Once you click on continue, your request will be submitted to the Roblox team, and once you receive your response, you will be logged out from your account and your account will be deleted permanently. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.